You're here for a reason. Are you ready to take a deep dive into flow state movement and mindset coaching? Are you ready to commit to 30 days of coaching with my team coaching you live from your living room? My signature program, the Gold Unlimited Membership, which has literally changed thousands of people's lives, is going to empower you to become your own coach. You are a person that takes action. Hopefully, you've got my 21-day reset plan, you've got your meal prep 101 ready to go, and you're ready for real, live, actual coaches and real community that can keep you accountable. You are my favorite type of client. You get it. You value quality movement, mindset, and nutrition coaching. You are ready to stay consistent and to make this a lifestyle long-term so that you can get the results you deserve. Our Gold Unlimited membership gets you access to unlimited live movement coaching classes so that you can interact with your coach and your peers in real time. Plus, you get a 30-minute personal accountability coaching call with a real coach, a real person that you'll be training with in the virtual studio via Zoom. So just a bit on why I do this work. I've been teaching seminars globally for the past 8 years, and I started the Flow Shala as a flagship studio where we teach steel mace, RAD Roller, and clubbells. I actually founded a system called Steel Mace Vinyasa, and I teach educational seminars. I've trained my entire team, so you're literally training with experts in your living room. I also founded a system called Kinesiolyoga, which is loaded asana. It's highly effective for building long lean muscles, deep inner core activation, and great stability and mobility. And I'm also a master trainer for RAD Roller, which is a self-myofascial release company. They specialize in mobilizing tissues and teaching people how to really create mobility and get out of pain. So when you join our virtual studio, you're gonna have that high level of education integrated into every single class. It's literally like going to a workshop every time you turn on the Zoom call. So not only are you getting access to a fitness class, but you're getting access to coaches that truly care about educating you on the why behind the movement. Now, this 30-day unlimited membership is gonna get you started to understanding flow state. And depending on your level of understanding of these principles in your application, it may take you a little bit longer to really truly implement these things, but this is an amazing springboard to get you started. So what is flow state? Flow state is a state of hyper-focus. It allows you to ramp up efficiency, it allows you to become completely present in your body, and it allows you to phase off and turn off your prefrontal cortex. So your inner critic, your analytical thinking. It allows you to turn that off for a moment so that you can really tap into flow state and turn on other higher functioning centers of your brain so that they can work concurrently, which essentially ramps up your productivity and even your creativity. So the more time we can get you to spend in flow state and your physical training, that's gonna bleed over into the rest of your life. So when we talk about training with a purpose, this Gold Unlimited membership is really an opportunity for you to master that. And it might take months, like 1 month, then another. We have people that stay with us long-term for years. I literally have clients that have been training with me since I started my business over 10 years ago. We have people all around the world that are practicing these systems with my online courses, and this is an opportunity to take a deep dive into flow state, to train with a team of 12 amazing coaches, and to build community. Because we want to meet you where you're at so that you can really master this and become your own coach. So just to recap on what you'll get with the Gold Unlimited membership, worth $350. You're gonna get access to unlimited live classes filmed in PST, Pacific Standard Time. That's 26 streamed classes per week, taught by a team of 12 elite movement coaches. You'll get a 30-minute accountability Zoom meeting with a coach. You'll get a manual for tracking your workouts. You get a 30-day meditation challenge for stress reduction that works. Do your research. It should be a no-brainer. Get committed, get accountability, and get into a system that's tried and true and that's going to work to get you the results that you deserve. Get access to the Gold Unlimited membership and commit to making this a lifestyle long-term. I know I'm ready to coach you. I know my team's ready to coach you. Are you ready to commit to 30 days of consistency and learning new techniques with new tools and educate yourself? Because knowledge truly is power. So if you're ready to get started, you're ready to commit, we've got you. Let's do this.